What's going on, guys? Matt over at Easy Auto Spa, and if I'm talking about my dream car to someone, I'm talking about an old Porsche 911 with a Targa top, and we've got one here in the shop. This is a 73 911E. This is the fuel injected. It's a super desirable car, and this vehicle is a one of a kind. This client has purchased it, they had it repainted, and now they want to protect this paint on this really unique vehicle. If a rock chip or something happened and it dinged up this paint, it would be very hard to find someone who was willing to do the paint work needed and to do it the right way on a car like this. And so for us, we are happy to come alongside to create kind of an insurance policy with our paint protection film. On this vehicle, the client has opted to do the entire front end. So we've taken the headlights out, we've done the fenders, we've done the hood, the bumper, the mirrors. There are no patterns for this. There's no plotting through our software for this. This is what we would call a bulk install, which means that our installers have to basically do it by hand. They do it very slowly, very methodically. There's a little extra wasted film because you have to cut so much, but at the end, it gets complete coverage, protects this paint, protects this vehicle, and it gets it looking great so that, again, when he takes it on the road, he can drive it and enjoy it freely without being fearful of something dinging up that hood. If you've got a classic, if you've got some project that you're working on, whether it needs just a paint correction and some polishing or wants to be protected with PPF or anything in between, we're happy to help. Even with our paintless dent repair, we love working with classics. What we do is a perfect fit to keep your classic out of a collision center and allow you to enjoy it, take it to car shows, and just really love the vehicle the way you want to love it. If you have any questions at all, hit up our team. Thanks so much for checking us out, guys. Have an awesome day.